Here are 3 stocks that you need to have in your investment portfolio for 2024. So to start it off, number 1 is going to be SPY. SPY is just the S&P 500 ETF. So if you don't know what that means, they take the top 500 companies within the US stock market and combine it into one fund. SPY on average returns 10% every year, and it's the best long-term hold that you can have. In addition to this, I do also have SPXL, which is a fund that is very similar to SPY, but it's leveraged by 3. So SPY happens to go up by 1%, SPXL will go up by 3%. But this does also work for the downside, so if SPY goes down 1%, SPXL will also go down 3%. This is my heaviest position. It's about 60 to 70% of my total portfolio. Next up is going to be NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a massive company. It's over a $3 trillion company, and a lot of people are saying that it's overvalued, but I personally like the price that it's at. I'm up about 10% in it already, but I do still think that it's a good price to buy at right now. Last but not least is going to be Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital is a business development company who manages middle market companies that deals with private debt and private equity. The reason I like Prospect Capital so much is that it pays a really high dividend. It's almost 13%. So that means that if you invest, say, $10,000 into this company, they will pay you $1,300 every year just for owning the company. Now, usually companies who pay this high of a dividend yield are pretty volatile. However, Prospect Capital is pretty limited in their volatility. It pretty much stays within the $5 to $6 range, and it doesn't really deviate very much from that. I'm pretty much break even on my play, but I'm up because of my dividends. I think it's a great price to buy at right now, and if it ends up going down, within the next month or two, you can always just average down and buy more shares. Let me know what you guys are investing in 2024. Drop it in the comments below.